Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Ian is a Weirdo. Today, I got my trusty steed by my side. His name is Riker, for those of you who don't know. He's a very sweet boy. And, I actually already recorded this video, and it did not save on my laptop. So, I'm going to be trying again, and we'll see. But I'm not going to, promise to act surprised because I don't want to be fake. I want like a genuine reaction. So I was really excited when I got this. So it says critters, and I am super excited to do it. But I had so many ideas that I was like, okay, how am I gonna dwindle it down? Excuse me, are you trying to eat my candles? What you trying to do? What you trying to do? What you trying to do? He's a goober. Okay, so for critters, I had bugs, which I could do several different ways. I could do a crochet bug. I could do, there's different bugs out there, obviously. I could do the beads that I use for Medusa's eyes. I could make into kind of like beetles or something like that, which would be really cool. My next one was snakes. Doing anything with snakes seems really cool, although I did not do them justice for Medusa. Next is a raccoon eating Halloween trash, and I could do this one of two ways. I could either have like a painting, or I could do, I have some faux fur, and I could do faux fur with and make a little raccoon, and then maybe make its stomach open, and it's all like Halloween candy and stuff like that. Pets, so like, because pets are critters too, and especially here in the South, critter means any kind of animal at all, except humans. Unless you're trying to really insult someone, you call them a critter, but you're calling them an animal. So, at least that's where I'm from in the South, right here in North Kakalaki. So pets, this could be costumes, this could be toys, anything like that, anything for pets. Problem is, my dog is huge, and he chews through everything, so it's really tough to make him something. You guys saw me try and fail to make him a sweater. I'm still making it in my spare time. I'm just not putting it on 31 projects of Halloween time, because I just can't do that. Will hurt myself. So next one is bats, and this one I'm really excited about. So I could have them hanging. So I could hang some kind of like paper or something, bats from here, or I could have like a garland or something like that. As we've seen, my pumpkin garland never has come to fruition. Or there is a furls pattern that's free, that is of a bat, and it's super cute, and it can open and close its wings, and it's really gorgeous. So I think I might do that. I hope I can do it in the right time. The next one is rats, and I just think rats are like the ultimate critter, the ultimate vermin. You know, they're just like so gross but cute and hilarious. So I could crochet a rat, and then I thought about making candy slugs. I thought that could be cool. And you could do like this. I wonder if I can make like the soft peppermint that, you know, you can like bite into, and it's like kind of chalky, but in like a really good way. So those are my main things that I thought about with bugs, and I've talked with Mel a little bit, and she kind of was on the same page as me, especially seeing the things that I tend to favor. So I don't think there'll be any change. It just kind of will be like, what do I decide to do? So, yeah, let's see.